Hello, my name is Maria Juliana González Campos. I am 18 years old. I am from Santander, Colombia. I live with my mother, my younger sister, and my stepfather. I am studying Regency of Pharmacy program, and I like the listen to music, travel and chocolate. I don't like the plain soccer and cauliflower. My last trip was to Zapatoca. I went with grandmother, my dad, my brother, my aunt, and my cousin. We visited to the family of the uncle and celebrate his birthday. There it was very cool. I was walking at the time a quad. I was get family day. I would like to connect several tourist areas that Colombia has much as the Old City of Santa Marta, the Salt Cathedral in Cundinamarca, the Castle of San Felipe de Barajas in the city of Cartagena, among other beautiful places that this country has. This I will do finish the student and my work so that I can fulfill the dreams and dreams that I have planned of my life. Thank you. Goodbye.